party soup. Here's how you do it. You make a cauldron of something neutral, like our potato-leek soup, and then you make an array of really flavorful, crunchy, bright, spicy, fatty, rich toppings. Invite a bunch of friends over. They get to build their own bowls of soup, putting their own little combinations together, and then I guarantee you they're gonna go back for seconds. When you're working with leeks, you need to clean them properly because these grow underground up to about where they start turning green. That's when photosynthesis happens. And there's dirt in between all the layers. So for this recipe, we only need the light green and the white part. Chop off the top. These are the leeks we're gonna use for our soup. And so we wanna have them lengthwise. You wanna thinly slice these, and then we're gonna rinse them in the bowl, drain them, and then we're ready to go. You really wanna make sure that these are nice and thin. Swirl them around. This will release the dirt, which will fall to the bottom. I like to lift them out of the bowl rather than pouring the bowl straight over into the colander, because then you pour the dirt right back onto the leeks and you have to redo your work. All right, so in goes some butter. Before you add your leeks, you need to make sure there's a good layer of fat over the bottom of your pot. And then remember, your leeks have a bunch of water still on them, so they're gonna reduce the temperature of the pan anyways. See, no sizzling. That's perfect. We're gonna cook these down, 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 develop a super sweet, beautiful flavor, but not a lot of brown, and we don't want too much caramelization. That would get too sweet. Mix this together, the butter will continue melting, and it's gonna take about 20 minutes. And now we're gonna build the rest of our party soup. So we want it to have a nice garlic backbone, but not aggressive garlic flavor. So we're gonna cut off the top third, and we're gonna add this to our pot. It's gonna simmer in there with all the other ingredients get nice and soft, then we can squeeze out those cloves. We're gonna add our potatoes, bay, and some thyme. Some salt. I think the pepper is crucial. It gives a little bit of heat and lift, a little kick, so it's not just only a nice mellow soup. And then we want to add 7 cups of water. We're going to bring this to a nice aggressive simmer and then lower it to a gentle simmer and cook it until those potatoes just fall apart. So do we have squishy potatoes? We have squishy potatoes. So now we want to take out our aromatics. Bye-bye bay leaf, thank you, you've done your work. Want to find the stems. It smells so good. And then last, you find that garlic head. Oh, it's so soft. It's very slippery. Okay, you ready? Roar! Perfect, soft, wonderful, sweet garlic flavor. If you're using a stick blender, you can just blend the whole thing. And if you're gonna use a blender, you're gonna do it in batches. And this will be a very good way to find out when you've missed the thyme sprig you inevitably missed. Oh, look at that beauty. Batch 2. Gorgeous. Last batch of velvet. The last step before your guests come is to add some lemon juice to your party soup base to brighten it up. You can save the rest of the lemon to serve as one of your party garnishes. Give it a stir to incorporate the lemon, and now you're ready for your guests.
All right.
Garni.
Back off, everyone.
So now this looks like party soup. Not party soup, party soup. Every party needs guests. Here are our guests. So from our cauldron of soup, you get a nice base. What do we want to do? My party soup definitely is gonna have some chili crisp, maybe a little more chili crisp. Ooh, spicy salmon, chives, and sour cream. Let's build another bowl. What else could this party soup become? It's getting bacon and a little paprika, cheddar, chives. Party bowl 3, pesto, eggs, dill, smoked paprika. Should we do one more? Let's do one more. This is for the hungry partier because this bowl is massive. Cheddar, chives, dill, sour cream, chili crisp. Party bowls! So you've got your cauldron, your vat of potato-leek soup. You've got all of your different toppings. Now just invite your guests over, sit around, have a great time.